Welcome once again to this channel. I am Nickstar DN. Today, in this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Coca Cola manufacturing. From the careful selection of ingredients to the final bottling, every step is a testament to precision and expertise. Here, at the heart of the Coca Cola Factory, we create more than just a beverage, we craft an experience loved by millions around the globe. So, without further ado, join us as we take a detailed look at the intricate process behind the production of Coca-Cola. The journey begins with the careful selection and preparation of ingredients. You might be surprised to know that creating the unique, refreshing taste of Coca-Cola starts with just a few simple elements: high-quality water, pure cane sugar, natural flavorings, and carbonation. These are the building blocks of the world's most popular soft drink. But it's not just about the ingredients themselves, it's about the precision and the care that goes into selecting and preparing each one. The water is purified through an intricate filtration process, ensuring it's of the highest quality. The cane sugar is sourced from reputable suppliers who adhere to sustainable farming practices, guaranteeing not just its purity, but also its positive impact on the environment. The natural flavorings, well, they're a closely guarded secret, but rest assured they're chosen for their ability to create that distinct Coca-Cola taste we all know and love. And finally, the carbonation. It might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial in giving Coca-Cola its signature fizz. Each batch is carefully carbonated to the perfect level, making sure every sip is as refreshing as the last. Each ingredient is meticulously inspected and measured to ensure consistency and quality. It's a delicate balance, but one that Coca-Cola has perfected over the years. By the time these ingredients come together in the mixing tanks, they're more than ready to create the world's favorite soft drink. Once the ingredients are gathered, they are introduced into large mixing tanks. These aren't your average kitchen mixers, mind you. These colossal tanks are the heart of the Coca Cola Factory, where the magic truly begins. Picture a symphony of flavors coming together, each note as important as the other. The water, the sugar, the natural flavorings, all introduced in precise proportions. Now you might wonder, how do we ensure the exactness of these proportions? Well, this is where the state-of-the-art technology comes in. Each tank is equipped with advanced sensors that maintain strict control over the quantities of each ingredient. This precision is crucial to maintain the consistency of taste that Coca-Cola is known for across the globe. As the ingredients enter the mixers, they start their dance. The tanks churn and swirl the ingredients, blending them into a harmonious syrup. This syrup, my friends, is the very soul of Coca-Cola. It's the base that carries the iconic flavor we all know and love. And it's not a hurried process. The blending takes time, ensuring that the elements are perfectly combined, that the sugar is dissolved, and the flavorings are evenly distributed. This meticulous blending process ensures that every sip of Coca-Cola offers the same delightful experience, no matter where in the world you are. These tanks blend the ingredients together to create the base syrup that forms the essence of Coca-Cola's iconic flavor. This, folks, is where the magic potion is brewed, the potion that brings joy to millions every day. With the syrup ready, it's time for bottling. This stage of the process is where the magic truly happens, where the iconic Coca-Cola syrup meets the vessel that will carry it to the palates of millions. First, each bottle embarks on a journey through a sanitation process. They're thoroughly cleaned and sterilized, ensuring they're pristine and ready to be filled with the delicious Coca-Cola syrup. The sterilization process is paramount to maintaining the quality and safety standards that Coca-Cola is known for globally. Once the bottles are immaculately clean, they're aligned on the production line, standing tall and ready for their moment. The syrup, a perfect blend of ingredients, is then introduced to the bottles. Using advanced technology, the syrup is pumped into each bottle at a meticulously controlled rate. This steady flow guarantees that every bottle receives the exact amount of syrup, ensuring the accuracy and consistency of the Coca-Cola taste we all know and love. But what about the bubbles, you ask? Well, hold your horses. That's a story for the next stage. For now, let's appreciate the art of bottling. A ballet of machines and syrup, working in harmony to create the perfect base for what's to come. The syrup is pumped into sanitized bottles at a controlled rate to ensure accuracy and consistency. And with that, the bottling process is complete, and our bottles are one step closer to bringing joy to Coca-Cola fans around the world. After the syrup is added, carbonation is carefully injected into the bottles. This step is crucial to achieving that signature fizziness we all associate with a refreshing sip of Coca-Cola. The process of carbonation involves injecting carbon dioxide gas into the liquid under high pressure. This pressure forces the gas to dissolve into the syrup, creating a solution full of tiny gas bubbles. Once the pressure is released, as it is when you crack open a bottle or can, the gas escapes in the form of those delightful bubbles that dance on your tongue. However, the key here is balance. Too much carbonation can make the drink overly acidic and harsh on the palate, while too little can render it flat and uninspiring. The masters at Coca-Cola have honed this process down to a fine art, ensuring each bottle contains just the right level of carbonation for an optimal taste experience. Now we come to the sealing process. As soon as the carbonation is complete, the bottles are swiftly sealed with caps. This immediate sealing is vital to preserving the freshness of the Coca-Cola and maintaining the carbonation levels. Any delay could allow the gas to escape, leading to a less than perfectly fizzy drink. But fear not, with the efficiency of the Coca-Cola production line, each bottle is sealed in the blink of an eye, ensuring that your Coca-Cola will always be as fizzy and fresh as the moment it was made. The bottles are then swiftly sealed with caps to preserve freshness and carbonation levels, ensuring that each sip delivers the perfect amount of effervescence. With the bottles filled and sealed, they move on to the labeling and packaging stage. This is where the magic of branding comes into play, transforming a simple bottle into an iconic beacon of refreshment. The labeling process is a marvel of modern technology. Advanced machinery, designed with precision and accuracy in mind, applies the distinctive Coca-Cola labels to each bottle. It's a fast-paced, automated process, but the consistency is remarkable. Every label is perfectly positioned every time, showcasing the iconic Coca-Cola logo and design that is recognized and loved worldwide. Once the labels are in place, the bottles are ready for packaging. This is another automated process, where systems carefully arrange the bottles into cases and then onto pallets. It's a mesmerizing dance of technology and efficiency, ensuring that the bottles are ready for their journey to stores and refrigerators around the globe. But it's not just about efficiency. The packaging is designed to protect the product, ensuring that each bottle of Coca-Cola arrives at its destination in perfect condition, ready to deliver that unmistakable taste and refreshment. So, the next time you pick up a bottle of Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has made. From the factory to your hand, every bottle has passed through this fascinating labeling and packaging process. Advanced machinery applies Coca-Cola's iconic labels with precision and accuracy, transforming a simple bottle into a globally recognized symbol of refreshment. Throughout the entire process, rigorous quality control measures are in place. This critical stage is what ensures that every sip you take from a bottle of Coca-Cola meets the high-quality standards that the brand is renowned for worldwide. Quality control is not a single step, but a series of checkpoints integrated throughout the manufacturing process. From the initial ingredient selection to the final packaging, each phase undergoes meticulous inspection and monitoring. The water used in the beverage, for instance, undergoes multiple rounds of purification and testing. The sugar and other ingredients are also subjected to rigorous quality checks to ensure they are of the highest grade. The process doesn't stop there. Once our iconic syrup is mixed and bottled, the quality control team steps in again. Each bottle is carefully inspected for the correct fill levels and to ensure the seal is tight and secure. Even the carbonation level, that beloved fizz, isn't left to chance. It's carefully measured to ensure it hits the sweet spot every time, delivering the perfect Coca-Cola experience with each open and pour. The final quality control measure is perhaps the most crucial: taste. Samples from every batch are tasted to ensure the flavor is consistent and true to the iconic Coca-Cola we all know and love. Samples are regularly taken and tested to ensure consistency and uniformity across batches. This relentless pursuit of quality is what makes Coca-Cola a trusted and cherished brand across the globe. And there you have it, the detailed journey of how Coca-Cola is made in the factory. We've walked you through each step, from the meticulous selection and preparation of ingredients, through the precise mixing process, to the careful bottling, carbonation, and sealing. We've shown you how each bottle is labeled and packaged with precision, and how rigorous quality control measures are consistently in place to ensure that each bottle of Coca-Cola you enjoy meets the highest standards of taste, quality, and safety. This is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the team at the Coca-Cola Factory, working tirelessly to deliver the world's most beloved beverage. So, the next time you sip on a refreshing Coca-Cola, remember the remarkable journey it has taken from our factory to your fridge. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes tour of the Coca Cola Factory. Until next time, enjoy the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola, made with care from our factory to your fridge.